If you're taking ginger tea newly, this is actually one of the signs you have to start noticing. Yes, this watery discharge you're talking about is expected, okay? So, but although not for everybody, it's not a must. Anybody that start taking ginger tea is going to notice watery discharge. It depends on what is going on in your system. But you should know that ginger does the work of cleansing, okay? So ginger helps to increase blood circulation in your system, and when all these things are going on, ginger, even your organs, ginger will help to start working on your organs, keeping them active, warm. I don't know if you understand me, to prevent them from coldness and dampness. So when all these things are going on, you should be expecting a lot of things. Even people having infection, you might be noticing severe discharge and all. These are ginger trying to push out everything that is not good in your system, okay? So this watery discharge might be fluid retention you're having in your system. It might be a sign of infection that have trapped in your system, or even fluid in your fallopian tube. For people having hydrosalpinx, so people having fluid in their fallopian tube, so ginger might be doing the work of clearing that tube. I don't know if you understand me. So that's why you don't need to bother yourself, okay? You're asking me if it's normal. It's normal. Ginger is doing the work of washing and setting, cleansing your immune system, and the more they clear from your system, the more your system is getting better. It's not going to continue like this. I don't know if you understand me. So if you watch yourself, if you take that ginger for a longer time, all these things will clear. Even if it's smelly, even if your video is smelly, discharge and all, just pay attention to your body. A time will come when you will not be noticing them again. Even the smells and everything will not be noticing them. So that's why every woman needs ginger. Ginger is doing a lot of cleansing. Is it okay? Have you seen that many people, whenever they're taking ginger, you see them confirming pregnancy, you see them getting pregnant? That is because ginger has done a lot of cleansing in their system. I don't know if you understand me. You will see people struggling to conceive, and once they take ginger, you will see them saying, I'm pregnant because I'm taking ginger tea. Should I continue taking it? But these are the people that have been trying to get pregnant. It may not be working. Maybe one or two blockage going on in their system, preventing conception. But you see, once they start taking ginger, ginger must have done a lot of cleansing in their system, improve blood circulation, start keeping their organs warm and active. So you will see them getting pregnant easily. They will be surprised. That is because ginger is doing a lot of work in their system, so you don't really need to worry. So anybody taking ginger tea, pay attention to your body and don't bother yourself. Your own is just to be consistent. As long as you don't have ulcer is not disturbing you, nothing should stop you from taking ginger tea. Even if without fertility issue, even if you don't have any fertility issue, your own is even the best. Be taking the ginger tea to help your system to become more clear, as clean as crystal. So I don't know if you understand me. Every woman needs to be taking ginger tea, and if you start taking ginger tea recently, you'll have to be noticing one or two signs that this person is also complaining about concerning water discharge, or maybe having dirty discharge coming out because of infection, any other thing. But it's not going to stay for long. Just mark my word, it's not going to stay for long. That is because you started newly. But once that ginger gets used to your body, you will see that those discharge will not be noticing them again. Yes, and that is because it has cleared your system enough, so you will not be seeing them, okay? So just continue taking your ginger tea. Don't worry yourself. Oh.